Hello students, now I am going to start question number 5 of exercise 3.2. Now the first part says, is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Now the question is, if each exterior angle is 22 degree, can it be a polygon? Now for this, we need to find the number of sides. If we get the number of sides, then it can be possible. Or if you don't get the number of sides, then it is not possible to have a regular polygon with each exterior angle as 22 degree. Okay, so here it is given that each exterior angle is 22 degree. Now sum of all exterior angle is 360 degree. Right? Now, what will be the number of sides then? Sum of all exterior angle divided by each exterior angle. So, it's 360 degree divided by 22 degree. Okay, now 2 11s are 22, 2 18s are 36 and 1 0. So, what we have got 180 by 11. Now, 180 is not a multiple of 11. Or 180 is not divisible by 11. Thus, if we divide this, we will get a fraction, and number of sides cannot be a fraction, it will be a whole number. So, we will write that it's not possible to have a regular polygon with each exterior angle is 22 degree. Okay, so we will write no, as 22 is not a factor of 360. Okay, now coming to B part. Now B part says, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? See, in the first part we have proved that if the exterior angle is 22 degree, then regular polygon is not possible. Okay, now we will prove that if the interior angle is 22 degree, can it be a polygon? So here interior angle we will consider now as 22 degree. Okay, now we know that interior angle and exterior angle makes 180 degree. Like here, if the figure is suppose like this, let us extend the line. So this is called interior angle, and this is exterior angle, and this is interior angle, and both make straight line, means linear pair, right? So that means the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. So interior angle and exterior angle make 180 degree. So from there we can get exterior angle. So we'll write interior angle plus exterior angle is 180 degree. Now interior angle we have considered as 22 degree. So what will be the exterior angle? So we'll take 22 on right hand side. So the exterior angle will be 180 degree minus 22 degree. 10 minus 2 is 8, 8 will be 7, 7 minus 2 is 5, and 1 will come down. So exterior angle is 158 degree. Now we will check whether we can get the number of side or not. If we get the number of side, then with this 22 degree, that means if the interior angle is 22 degree, then the regular polygon is possible, right? So at first we will find the number of side. Okay, and number of sides, how can we get this? It's 360 degree. That means the sum of all exterior angle divided by each exterior angle. Okay, now here each exterior angle we have got, which is 158 degree. Now if 360 degree comes in 158 table, or it's a multiple of 158, then we can see that then we can get the number of sides, and if we get the number of sides, then we can say that the regular polygon is possible with a 22 degree interior angle. Okay, so let us check. So both the number as divisible by 2, so we are cancelling by 2. So 2 18s are 36 and 1 0, and 2 7s are 14 and 2 9s are 18. Now 180 is not divisible by 79, as 79 is not a factor of 180. So we can say that since if you divide further, we will get this as decimal. Okay, and number of sides cannot be in decimal or cannot be in fraction. So we can say that regular polygon is not possible if the interior angle is 22 degree. Okay, so we will write no when interior angle is 22 degree, then exterior angle will be 158 degree, and 360 is not completely divisible by 158. Okay, so this was question number 5. Now coming to next question. Now coming to question number 6. The first part says what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon. Now regular polygon means all sides and angles are equal. Now question is what is the minimum interior angle possible. So now if we draw like this, like with two line segment, we cannot get a polygon because this is not a closed shape. So we need at least one more line segment to get a polygon. So what we have observed that the minimum line segment required for a polygon is 3. Now since it is regular polygon, so all angles will be equal. So we know that sum of all angles make 180 degree for a triangle, right? Now what will be the each angle here? So this is which triangle? This is equilateral triangle, as all sides and angle are equal, so it is equilateral triangle. Now here all angle will be 60 degree, because since 3 sides are there, so 180 divided by 3 is 60 degree. So minimum possible interior angle for a regular polygon is 60 degree, and we can get the interior angles by angle sum property of a polygon, which is sides minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, and since this is having 3 sides, so 3 minus 2 into 180 degree. So 1 into 180 degree is 180 degree. So here the sum of all angle makes 180 degree. So each interior angle will be 180 degree divided by 3, so it's 60 degree. Okay, so what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? So it's 60 degree. As why it is so? Because with 2 sides we cannot get a polygon. At least 3 sides is required to get a polygon, right? Now coming to B part. Now B part says what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon. So what we have seen that equilateral triangle is a regular polygon with 3 sides. So what will be the maximum exterior angle here? Because if it is a regular polygon, then all sides and angle will be equal. Suppose this is an equilateral triangle, okay? So here all 3 sides are equal. So in the first part we concluded that all angles of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. All interior angles means each interior angles of a regular polygon having 3 sides is 60 degree. So what will be the exterior angle? If the least number of sides are 3, then maximum exterior angle possible with least number of side is 180 degree minus 60 degree, because if we extend the line, we will get the exterior angle, right? And we know that exterior angle and interior angle makes 180 degree. The sum of this makes linear pair 180 degree, right? So if we want to get the exterior angle, we need to subtract the interior angle from 180 degree to get the exterior angle. So it's 120 degree. So the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon with least number of sides is 120 degree. Okay, so this was all about question number 6, and this was the last question of this exercise. If you have any doubt, any queries, leave a comment below. Okay, thank you students.